this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to upload a picture on TikTok comments. Without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. So the first thing that we're going to do is open our TikTok app. Once you're on the home page, you'll have to find the video on which you want to post your picture on the comment. And once you have found the video, go on the comment section. And once you're on the comment section, you cannot directly post a picture on the comment section. So the thing that we can do here is you can reply to any comment that you prefer. You can simply tap on the reply button that is located on the below of the comment everyone has made. Once you tap on the reply button, there you can see a video icon. From there, you can either record a video or even upload a picture as your comment. So you can tap on that video icon. And with that, here as you can see, from here you can record a quick video or even upload pictures from the upload section that is located on the right hand side corner on the below. From here, you can upload a picture or a video according to your preference. I will be uploading a picture. And after that, all you'll have to do is tap on the next button that is located on the very end. And after that, if you want to even write a reply, then you can write a reply on the box over here. Then you can tag people, and also you can choose whether your followers or public can see this comment. Tap on the post option that is located on the very end. You can go and see whether it has been posted or not by going to your profile. And here on your profile, if you tap on it, then you can see that your comment has been posted. You can go to your own comment section and from here to see the original video. And just like here, as you can see, the picture comment has been replied. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.